A single bad number can shatter a multi-million-dollar machine learning system. You can build a perfectly tuned model, but one rogue data point is enough to tear it apart. Core predictive algorithms like linear regression and k-means clustering are fragile. When they process raw information, they trust every number equally. This chart shows a standard linear regression model, plotting a trend. Watch what happens when we introduce an extreme outlier. That single point acts like a magnet, pulling the mathematical center of gravity off balance and dragging the prediction line away from the actual trend. In the real world, this exact mathematical error causes catastrophic failures. It leads to credit card systems freezing legitimate transactions or automated medical monitors triggering false alarms during routine patient care. Without a dedicated mathematical defense mechanism, an automated pipeline cannot distinguish between a normal human action and a system-breaking anomaly. It is blind to the sabotage. To detect a threat, your system must first define what a normal result looks like. It needs a reliable baseline of truth. We build that baseline using the normal distribution curve. This visualization shows how organic data naturally clumps around a central average. As you move away from the middle, the data thins out, creating a symmetrical bell shape. This shape follows the empirical rule. It divides the curve into predictable zones using standard deviations to measure the spread. Exactly 99.7% of all valid data lives safely inside 3 standard deviations from the center. But at the very edges, there is a tiny sliver of mathematical space, only 0.3% of the total area. This rare zone is where the dangerous anomalies hide. By defining this exact mathematical perimeter, you give your algorithms a reliable filter. You build a predictable shield around your expected outcomes, locking out the noise. Finding those hidden saboteurs requires an active radar pulse. In statistics, we call this the z-score. The z-score is a standardized formula. It takes the difference between a value and the mean and divides it by the standard deviation. This tells you the exact number of steps a specific value is standing away from the center. This chart illustrates a placement exam dataset with an average score of 100 and a standard deviation of 15. If a strange score of 160 enters the system, the math translates that to exactly 4 standard deviations away. It breaches the 3-step boundary and triggers a mathematical alarm. But relying on this formula blindly creates a massive operational trap. The z-score system expects your raw data to match a perfectly symmetrical distribution curve. Look at this diagram of a skewed dataset. Because the bulk of the data leans to the left, it has a long extended tail on the right. If you apply a rigid z-score limit here, the radar fails. It incorrectly flags perfectly valid data points as anomalies. This is why visualizing your data with a histogram is a prerequisite. If you skip this critical step, you risk deploying a broken defense system that destroys perfectly good models. Let's say your distribution is normal and the alarm goes off. A bot account attempts to interact with your algorithm 50 times in a single hour. You have a confirmed outlier, and you need an immediate intervention. Your first protocol is called trimming. As this plot demonstrates, trimming simply removes the outlier from the system entirely. The threat is gone, but your total sample count decreases. The second protocol is Winsorization, or capping. Instead of throwing data away, capping compresses the extreme value. It drags the rogue number back to exactly the 3 deviation limit. You neutralize the skew while keeping the original data row. Trimming is effective for obvious human data entry errors. Capping, however, is a better tactic when you need to control extreme values while preserving your overall sample size. These millions of data points represent actual financial transactions, medical vitals, and human behaviors. When a single value fails, it reflects a real-world event that requires a precise mathematical response. By mastering these structural defenses, you ensure that your automated systems are built on stable math rather than statistical noise. You are moving beyond simply feeding data into an algorithm, and instead taking active responsibility for the reliability of the models we rely on every day.